Reproduction in human beings. Human beings, one is male, the other is female. So male and female, they reproduce sexually. When the girls and boys, they attain puberty, that is now they are reproductively or sexually active, means there is a lot of change in their body. For example, hair in the armpit grow, genital regions, they also carry hair. So these are common to both males and females, armpit hair and genital region hair. So girls have increased breast size, darkening of the skin and the tip of the nipples, and in the males there are thicky hair or hairy facial growth. The voice also changes. This is male reproductive system. So male reproductive system comprises of two testes and two testicle, you can say a pair of testes, then glands, accessory ducts and male genitalia. So testis is this side, this is the site where male gametes or the cells, germ cells are produced, and they are located outside the body. See, this is the body and this is located outside the body. Why? Because this is in order to lower the temperature. So they are located outside the abdominal cavity. This is a sac-like structure. This is known as scrotum, and this is, as I just said, that to maintain the lower temperature required for the formation of the sperm. And testis, this testis produces male hormone which is known as testosterone. This is needed for the development of secondary sexual characteristics like beard, mustaches, and the development of sperm in males. This one is a duct. So when vas deferens, this is a duct that transport the sperm to urethra, means from here going right from this path coming to this path. So when vas deferens is a duct that transports the sperm to urethra, and which is the common passage for both urine and sperm ejaculation. The prostate glands, if you see here, this is prostate, and seminal vesicle, which you see here, these are also found in males in order to nourish and for easy transport of the sperm in the female genital tract. The Cowper's gland, this produces mucus-like fluid, because in female vagina there is a lot of acid, the female vagina is acidic. So it produces mucus-like fluid that neutralizes the acidity of the female vagina. All these secretions along with sperm, they form semen. So this formation of male gametes or sperm in testes is known as spermatogenesis, and the sperms are haploid in nature. Haploid means half chromosomes. Semiferous or seminiferous tubules are the site of these spermatogenesis. So testes produce male hormones. As we said, this is testosterone. This is needed for secondary characteristic of a male, and as well as for the preparation of spermatogenesis. Female reproductive tract. This is female reproductive tract. It contains two ovaries. If you see, these are ovaries 1 and 2, a pair of ovaries, and uterus. This is a uterus. Then we have cervix and vagina and external genitalia, which covers the inner part. So female egg, or you can call it as ova, these are produced in ovary. This place it is produced, ovaries. The formation ova in ovary is known as oogenesis. So this ovary produces female hormone like estrogen and progesterone. These hormones are also needed for female sexual development and for pregnancy as well. The fallopian tube, this is a tube, see, this is a fallopian tube. So this fallopian tube carries ova from the ovary to the womb, and two oviduct join to form the uterus. This all is uterus. So uterus then opens to vagina through this cervix. Sperm enter into female through vagina here at the time of sexual intercourse or sex. Then the sperm reaches the fallopian tube where it fuses the ova to form the zygote, and this is known as fertilization. Then zygote divides into embryo, as you see here. This embryo now gets implanted into the uterus, and the embryo development occurs in uterus to form the fetus. So fetus is formed from embryo, and now the mother is supplying nutrition to the growing fetus using the placenta. This is the placenta. And placenta helps in the exchange of nutrients, the gases, and the removal of excretory products. And the development of the child inside the womb of the mother take around 9 months to complete. And after that there is a rhythmic uterine contraction that leads to delivery of baby outside the female body. So here, this is the fallopian tube, this is the placenta, uterus, fetus, amniotic fluids are there, and amnion is this, and this is the umbilical cord. Here, this is cervix, which closes the opening, and this is the vagina. So if the eggs are not fertilized, then what happens? The uterine lining here, this uterine lining sheds off in the form of fluid known as menstrual fluid, and this discharge occurs from the vagina in the form of blood and mucus, and this is known as menstruation, and this may take from 2 to 8 days. Normally it's 4 to 5 days average.